Hello friends, I am Kalyani studying in Comfort Learn classes. Today I am going to explain about the universal law of gravitation. Before beginning with that, let me ask you a question. When we throw a ball, why does the ball falls on the ground? This happens because of the gravitation. Now, let me tell you what is gravity and gravitation. The concept of gravitation was given by Sir Isaac Newton, and the gravity means that it is a force with which an object is attracted towards the earth or the center of the earth, and gravitation is that the force of attraction between any two objects. Now let me explain you what is universal law of gravitation. The meaning of universal law is this law is applicable for all the objects in the universe, and the law states that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force that is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. The brief explanation about this law is that it states that every object attracts every other object with a force that is directly proportional to the product of their masses, which means that if the masses of the two objects is more, then the gravitational force between those two objects is more. And also the law states that it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the centers of the object, which means that if the distance between any two objects is more, then the gravitational force between those two objects is less, and if the distance between those objects is less, the gravitational force between those objects is more. And the formula to find the gravitational force between any two objects is F equals to capital G into m1 into m2 divided by d square. The capital G, the value of this capital G was given by Henry Cavendish by using a sensitive balance, and the accepted value of capital G is 6.673 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square kg raised to minus square. Now let me take two objects and show you the gravitational force between those two objects. So friends, here I have taken two objects as these two boxes, and I have named these boxes as box A and box B, and the masses of these objects are, the mass of box A is 6 kg and the mass of box B is 4 kg, and the distance between these two objects from the centers of these boxes is 2 meter. Friends, now let us calculate the gravitational force between these two objects. Universal law of gravitation formula is F equals to capital G into m1 into m2 divided by d square. Here F is the force, G is the universal constant, m1 is the mass of first object, m2 is mass of second object, and d is the distance between the two objects. After substituting the values in the formula, the force between box A and box B is 4.0038 into 10 raised to minus 10 Newton. Importance of the universal law of gravitation are: it is the force which binds us towards the earth, it is the force which causes the motion of all the planets towards the sun, and it is the force with which the motion of the moon is caused around the earth, and it is the force with which the tides are formed due to the earth and the moon. Hope this concept is clear for all. Thank you for watching my video.